Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel today, and in this video today we'll be talking about Tom Brown. Yes, Tom Brown series. I will be showing you how to prepare Tom Brown series from the beginning to the finishing point, which you are seeing right now. Okay lovelies, this Tom Brown series is called Tom Brown probably because of the color. Actually, I don't know, but it's made with multi-grains like millet, dawa, corn, soya bean, and lots more other ingredients, so that this Tom Brown is quite healthy. It's filled with multi-nutrients. Honestly speaking, these are the part of the things I use in making Tom Brown. Okay love, let me show you how I started. I started off by washing off the corn. Yes, I didn't just select and start toasting them. No, I have to wash them off simply because some of them are packed with kind of sand and stone. So you will not want to give your baby what is not healthy. Of course, as an adult, unhealthy things are not good for you. So are they onto your kid. I went ahead to wash the dawa and the millet. I poured them together because I believe they're in the same family. So two of them are usually, I see them as the same. So sweet that don't forget to properly squeeze and wash. When I say properly squeeze, you can even soak it for about 2 to 3 minutes before washing, just that you may be sure that all dirt and debris are all of these grains you are giving to your kids. Because the companies that produce the ones over the counter, they take their time to select, wash, and purify them before processing into what we feed our kids. So you trying to make it at home, you will not want to make any form of mistake when giving them to your kids. Okay, so these are the dirt. Can you see how color of this water is? Imagine you not washing it. Honestly, it will not give any vibe. It will not give anything. So please, it will not take you anything from washing this thing properly. I washed 2 to 3 times to make sure the water is enough clean, like practically clean, before I could go ahead to sun dry. Okay, when you are washing this, look out for stones, look out for nylon, look out for maybe rope on whatever, but please make sure you take your time to process this. That is the most important stage for me, and that also you should consider very, 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 very important. I'm emphasizing on the importance of washing this because I know how it can be. Some of them can be very, very dirty, while some of them you may be lucky to buy. See what I'm showing you. Some of them you may be lucky to buy the very clean one. So whichever way, try to keep them clean. Okay. One more thing about this Tom Brown, it helps in digestion. Like, it digests very well in the system, and it helps in growth of your baby, because the soya bean alone has a lot of protein which supports child's growth. So if you want a child to eat healthy and grow healthy, please inculcate Tom Brown into their food. Okay, as you can see in this video, I'm emphasizing on the fact that you need to wash it properly. Look at how dirty this bottom part of this my washing pan is. You can imagine if I did not do this at all. I just selected the dry pattern and then proceed to milling it. Honestly, it will be very, very horrible to the system. Yes, it's not okay. See, it's very dirty. It's very, very dirty, my dear. So let's proceed. When preparing your Tom Brown, please make the one your baby will eat at once. Do not make and store. Do not prepare it and then allow it to be in the flask, because the soya bean in it will make it to go watery before you come back. So there, as you are doing this, do not waste your money. Always remember that Tom Brown is meant for one serve making. Okay, one serve making. I'm emphasizing on it because I don't want you to waste your money, just the way I don't waste my money. Okay, tell me thank you in the comment section. I'm sure this video is useful to you. Let's go, darling. I didn't bother to wash this soya bean and groundnut because their shells will be removed. I just selected the stone from them and went ahead to toast them. In this Tom Brown, I added granola, which is totally optional. You can decide to add granola, you can decide not to add, okay? It's all up to you. I went ahead to toast the groundnuts until they turned golden brown and I was able to peel them. So you fry your groundnuts properly, or you can buy already fried one. Please do not add too much groundnut to this mixture. I'll be dropping the quantities of items I use in the comment section. And you watching this video to this point, I'm sure this video is useful and very informative to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. You can drop your comments in the comment section. That will be well appreciated there. So I went ahead to toast the corn, the millet, and the dawa. All were all fried. I fried them to the point they started popping. Like when you know your soya bean, your corn starts popping, that's when you know it's properly fried. I suggest to fry it to that point, as you can see in this video, because you cannot afford to give your child food that is not well cooked. Yes, don't think that we will not cook it. Yes, we will still cook it, but doing the right thing at the right time is appropriate. Making sure also that the water used in washing them are all dried off. Remember, we are going to store them very, very dried, okay? After I toasted everything, I took them to the miller, the commercial blender. Of course, I have a heavy-duty blender, but because I'm making it in large quantity that will last up to 3 to 4 months for my family. My kids are 4, so I'll be making it in large quantity. I added cloves, fish. This is dry plantain. You can all toast these things before frying them. I added oatmeal, which is totally optional. I added crayfish, which is also optional for those who doesn't like crayfish or the aroma or whatever. For any reason you don't want crayfish, please do not add. But I suggest you also add dried plantain, as it contains iron. It gives the kids a very healthy bone, okay? And also I added sugar. If your child is not up to a year, for me, I don't add sugar. I added sugar because my last baby is up to a year. So I will also be adding this other sweetener. If you don't want to add sugar, please do add this thing so the Tom Brown can come out tasty. You know, kids, they love very tasty food, okay? So this is the soya bean. Make sure the soya beans is first of all crushed and selected before grinding properly. This is the miller grinding everything into powder. Please make sure they are properly ground, like very, very smooth powder, before you can go ahead and take it home to further storing it or whatever. So they have to grind it over and over and over till you confirm they are very much powdered. Please don't let anybody confuse you, okay? Because over there, they will always say, no, is okay, it's okay. Use your hand and check. If it's not okay, please tell them to mill it one more time. I went ahead to sieve. I like to sieve mine because the more you sieve it, the more it's activated. Like when air enters in between the Tom Brown powder, it comes out nicer and gives it a nicer texture. But if you feel you don't want to sieve it, it's totally okay. You can go ahead and start making your Tom Brown that way. But please, I like to sieve mine. If you sieve it, you understand the difference between when you sieve it and when you don't sieve it. Okay. After I sieved it, I went ahead to prepare it. Here, I can prepare this Tom Brown in 2 ways, which I'll be showing you at the end of this video. Okay, sweetheart, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to also comment, which is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and thank you for staying up to this moment. In this content is the quantity of Tom Brown I want to give my baby at that moment. So I'll go ahead and dissolve until there are no lumps in it using cold water. Please use cold water to dissolve at first. Leave it watery. When you dissolve, don't dissolve it like pap. Make it to be more watery than pap. This is the first method. You can cook directly over fire. That is the first method, okay? You keep stirring it, and when you are using this pattern, please do not remove your hand. Keep stirring until they turn thick. As you can see in this video, the more you stir, the thicker it becomes. And please cook on a low heat. Cook on a low heat until it turns brown and thick as you may want. Then you go ahead and serve your baby in this pattern. You can use any formula of your choice. If you're giving your baby or as an adult, you can use sugar, you can use honey, or any form of sweetener of your choice. But for babies, please use their formula. Then this is the second pattern. After I dissolved with cold water, I allowed my water to boil in a small pot first, and then introduce the dissolved Thom Browne into it and keep stirring, just the way you make your semolina or whatever. You do it this way. You keep stirring. At the same time, please do not stop stirring until it turns as thick as you may want it. Okay, this is the best part of it, that your Thom Browne is not lumpy. Okay, it makes baby to freely enjoy the meal. At the same time, go ahead and serve your baby just the way you may serve an adult. Thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found this video useful, go ahead and share, and also comment on it. It's highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to always come by and check on my channel. I always drop nice and informative videos. Okay, thank you guys. I appreciate you. This Thom Browne is very healthy. My baby likes it. All my kids enjoys it. From age 1 to age 6, I have at home. All of them enjoys it. Even me as an adult, I enjoy it too. Thank you for always. Bye.